Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we're gonna do an oil change on Infiniti G35. There's a 3.5 in it, 2003 till whatever they stopped making them. One of those guys. Sedan or coupe, doesn't matter. So first thing first, make sure the car is secured on ramps. You know, put it best on ramp. And now we're gonna go underneath. And then Infiniti was not messing around with aerodynamics. So as you can see, you got pretty well covered everything over here. So gotta get rid of this skid plate first. It's secured by 1 million 10 mils. So you can do it by hand, but it would be a lot faster if you do it by electric. Once the skid plate removed, you'll see your oil filter, you'll see your drain plug, nothing crazy here. So ours secured by 14 mil plug. Your mileage might vary. See if we can do it without any spills. That washer is disintegrating in my hands. There we go. Yeah, that washer went poo-poo. Poo-poo, poo-poo. So yeah, if your washer looks like this, do not reuse it. But once you scrape the old gasket, I've actually been using Toyota OEM gaskets for a while on most of Japanese vehicles. They just fit perfectly. And they're like metal with some sort of plastic shit, but they work really well. Never had one leak yet. Pop this bad boy in. And I mean, for most of the drain plugs, they're about 30 pounds plus minus. So just do it till it's snug. That seems about snug to me. Feels right around 30. Alright, now let's see if the oil filter was done by freaking Hercules or not. Yep, definitely Hercules. There we go. Yeah, just make sure that the gasket is on the filter, not on there. If it's on there, replace it. Or make sure you take it off. Alright, so the filter we're using is EcoGuard X4612. And of course, you guys have seen my channel, I like Mobil 1 oil. So high mileage Mobil 1. So open the bad boy up. Ooh, I like that. I like it when they do some protection for them. It shows that they care. Let's see. Alright. That landed pretty good. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, you're gonna put your finger in some oil. Oh yeah. And just lube this lightly. Just so it don't get stuck. that's pretty much it. Let's go put it on. Now, funny story, I actually bought this filter for a Subaru out back, but ended up selling the car. But it is the same filter, so it fits. I just realized that today when I was buying a new filter, I was like, I think I have one at home. And yes, I did have one at home. Just do it by hand, never use pliers for that. Don't be a dick. Because for the next person that's gonna change oil, if you use pliers, it's gonna be hell. Alright, now we just gotta put some oil in and we'll be home free. Got my favorite funnel. This should take 5 quarts, which is a jug. So we're just gonna pour it. Once we're done pouring, I'm just gonna start it up, let it run for a few seconds, check the level, add if necessary, but shouldn't be. Alright, start this bad boy up. Let it run for a few seconds. Now check for leaks, and just so you know, if you didn't put something on right, you'd have a fucking puddle at this point. So leaks are good, just gotta put the cover back up and that's it, we're all done. Before the assembly back, let's check the oil. Hopefully the sun is not straight into the lens, because it's straight into my eyes. And if you, well, since you're watching the video, you have this vehicle, the dipstick application is one of the dumbest I've ever seen. Alright. And if you can see, it looks like we're right in the middle between high and low, which is means perfect level. This is one of those jobs where you should have it instantly. Always make sure that you dispose your oil properly. Don't be that guy. Most of your local parts stores or like Walmart or Jiffy Lube will take those in a heartbeat, because they actually get tax credit for taking them, so it's no hassle. If the parts boy gives you a shit, tell him, hey, this pays your salary, bro. Don't be a dick. Alright, boys and girls, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you out with your oil change on your Infiniti G35. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a good
Almost
day.
forgot.
Take care.
Be a good friend. Subscribe. Almost 1,000 right now. Thank you.